more like a biochemical practical.
Yes.
I understand. But the thing is that we have limitations. We don't have too many physiological practicals. Okay, so I'm trying to replace them from the physiological. But now we have this. Okay, you have to perform this. Make groups. This will save the time. Okay, huh? Make group. Masalan 5 students, 1 student glucose and like this. If you do like this, it will save the time. But in the exam, okay, you should know the steps of all, because I will give you, masalan, in this experiment, 4 or 5 practicals I can make. Milk filtrate, protein by 2 methods, glucose, calcium, phosphate, and cholesterol also 6. Okay, so it means that I can give you any of this. Okay, so the steps are very easy, just if you understand and remember. Okay. Okay, now what you will do, first of all, this is the filtrate I have made for you. Okay, remove this. This is the filtrate. So your filtrate should be like this. This is like milk, like water. Okay, so this milk should be converted into this. If it is not, bad result. Okay, what you will do, first of all, take any cylinder. Okay. This is also correct. Let's take this. Take any cylinder. Okay, and take any volume of milk, masalan 10 ml, masalan. Okay, don't take 10, take 5. Okay, because you already have too much, so don't waste. Oh, khalas, take 10 ml. Khalas. 10 ml of milk into this. Milk. Okay, 10 ml of acetic acid. This acid will react and it will break.
And of course,
20, and this is water. This is water. Okay, double. Yani up to 40. Okay, this is, now you will mix it and leave it here for 2 minutes. 1 or 2 minutes enough. Okay, now what you will do, this is the filter paper. This is filter paper. Okay, masalan you want to collect the filtrate here. This is also filtrate, but this is not, see, not shafaf. See this? It means that there is a problem in this filtrate. It means that this filtrate is not properly made. So I will tell you how you can make this like this. Okay, masalan in the exam you are doing, but your filtrate is not like this, masalan. This is incorrect, khata. So how you can correct this, I will tell you. Okay, so leave it here. Okay, I will take this. Okay, this and I need a funnel. Okay, so there is one more funnel. Okay, so put this funnel like this. Okay, and fold this filter paper like this, 1 and 2 turn like this. Okay, and now open it like this. Get the idea? And put this here. Okay, and you will put this here like this. Throw this here. When you will pour this here, the filtrate will come here drop by drop. So khalas, I will put some, but khalas, no problem. I will put some. Oh, I will use this. I will make this pure. How you can make this pure? Same thing you will do this. How you, if your filtrate is like this, not pure, what you will do? Filter it again. Okay?
The same paper?
No, different paper, because this paper is not good. That is why you did not get the good result. Okay? So I am pouring this, but you will pour this. Okay? Same thing. Okay, just pour it here. See, very quickly it will come because already it is filtered, but not properly filtered. It is filtered, but not properly filtered, so very quickly. But you will, when you will put this, it will be very, very slow because it is milk. Okay. See, this time it is. You can see here, it is becoming pure. Okay, just like water. Just it will take only 2 or 3 minutes. Very quickly it will come down. Shift this into something. I will give you a bottle in which you collect all the filtrate. Okay. So in the meanwhile, use this one. Okay. And what? So this. Use this. Okay. Now do it yourself. Do it. Make.
इसे ठंडी आ जाएगा
Good. Good. As you know that this is milk, so it will take some time to come out. It will come out drop by drop.
So how many minutes should it take? How many minutes?
And it depends upon the milk actually.
Is this mother milk?
See, it's coming. No, it's bottled milk. See, it will come. See this? Drop by drop is coming. Okay? Just let it come. Okay? And if it is not pure, filter it again. But khalas. See, this is now like water. Okay? You can add this with this. So you can use this and use this. Okay? Now, listen to me now. You already have the filtrate. Okay? You know how to make the filtrate. If there is any problem, make your own filtrate. If no, use this filtrate for the other, for the carbohydrate. Okay? Don't waste time. Don't stand here. Just use the filtrate, this and this filtrate, too much filtrate this is. Okay? And perform the other. Okay? First start with the glucose. Take filtrate, masalan 1 milli. Take Benedict's, this is Benedict's written here. Same volume. Mix, heat. No boiling, heating. Within 1 minute, 2 minutes, the color will change. First, blue to green. Khalas, result, finish. No, don't wait for yellow and orange, no need. We are not calculating anything. Protein. First method, take filtrate, boil. Shaffaf filtrate will become ghai shaffaf, but it is not lazim you will get the result. Second, take filtrate, add equal volume of the biuret. This is biuret. Equal volume, okay? Mix, put in the stand for 2-3 minutes, you will see a color change from blue to purple. Okay? But it depends upon the concentration of proteins. More concentration, big color change.
Without heat.
Huh?
Without heat.
Without, no heating. Heating in Benedict's. Here no heating. And then for the phosphate, use ammonium molybdate. This is ammonium molybdate. This is nitric acid. No. This is nitric acid. Okay? And for the cholesterol, this is sulfuric acid. Drop by drop. And this is sodium oxalate. I told you for the calcium. Sodium oxalate. Remember, sure. Nitric acid, sulfuric acid, concentrated, murakkaz. So, be very careful. It can hurt you. It can burn your body. Okay? So be very careful. Take the this dropper and perform the test. Okay?